And today, Colty and I have an art easel to show you. But not only is this an art easel, it's also a dry erase board and a chalkboard. It comes with markers, it comes with chalks, it comes with magnets of all your, let's stick them on here, Colty, of the full alphabet, lowercase and uppercase, and your numbers. You're also going to get a really cool straight edge to help your little ones measure and to help them draw straight lines. You also have a dry eraser, which happens to be magnetic as well, so it sticks to the board. And you're also going to get a cloth for removing the chalk off the back. Colty, let's show them how the dry erase board works. What color do you want?
Black.
Okay, you take black and I'll take red. You ready?
First we need to take all of this out.
Oh, you want to take the magnets off?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to flip it over and show you the other side in just a moment and show you how this works. You can see it is a wooden stand. Obviously there is metal in here to make it magnetic. The stand is fully adjustable and it even has this little cloth sling on the bottom to store all of your art supplies. So that's very convenient. And we can write your name, C-O-L-T-O-N. Of course, that's at a very funny angle. All right, let's show everybody how it erases.
I was raised.
Just that easy, huh? It comes right off.
Ask for my name.
Oh, you erased your name.
Yeah.
Here, let's stand up real quick. Let's show everybody what you're wearing. Now, on top of the wooden frame and the easel, you're also going to get an apron to keep your clothes clean, and you even have the forearm or the arm guards, and you even have the arm guards to keep the marker and the chalk and stuff off your arms. Is that cool? All right, let's flip it and let's show everybody how the other side looks, okay? Now, if we loosen these screws on the side, we can rotate this around. And then when we rotate it, you have these little screws right here on the frame. We're going to loosen these, and then you just slide it up and tighten the screws back down. That's right, and then tighten the sides back up, and now you have a chalkboard. And it also comes with these little magnets, so you can put paper up here, and you can actually use these to hold paper down while you're drawing on paper, which is a really cool feature. Here, come over here, let's show them how the chalk works. So you can see on this side that you have a green chalkboard. This side is magnetic as well. It does come with a chalk holder.
And this is magnetic.
That's right. And it comes with red, blue, yellow, and white dustless chalk. Show them how the chalk works. Just like that, and it's completely dust free. And then you should get your cloth and actually make it damp, and you can just erase the chalk. Just like that. Very, very cool. So if you have a young student at home, or you're trying to teach your little ones their alphabet and their numbers and how to read and how to write, if you want to encourage them to do art projects, this is a great little starter kit for that budding little artist. What do you think, Colty? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. What do you like the best about it?
Maybe to draw on it.
Oh, because you can draw on it. Colty loves to draw. So we hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.